Well, let's check how the system works. So yeah, we will show how the APP works and how the dashboard for clients work. Because if you are not client, you cannot see all the features that we have in our internal dashboard. And I will let Edu to share his screen and show you how it works. And yeah, Edu, floor.
Thank you. That's
is yours.
It's fine. We have a lot of questions. Please, after we will answer all the questions in the finally, because it's impossible right in the real time in the chat all the answers.
I will turn off my screen. You can share yours.
Yes, I share my screen. Okay. Can you now? Can you see my screen? Today I will do a quickly demo of pollen analysis, and I explain the web platform, and I show you all you do in when you digitalize all your information, you can do different things, and we can see now. First, I started the pollen analysis, and after, when during the test is running, I explain the website. Okay, this is the application. It's a very easy application. You have a different test you can do, and you have a little setting wiles here, and here you have a different calibration for the microscope. You only need do this calibration the first time. After it's all autonomous. It's not necessary. You have a little joystick here. It's because the HoneyAI, it's a microscope. It's automatic microscope, and you can use with HoneyAI, and you can use a manually mode. You can move the microscope and take it an image, and it's interesting feature. Now it's moving. And when it's finished, we can move the microscope. Okay, now you can move the microscope and take the image and save the different pictures. It's very easy. Okay, the important thing is the pollen test. Okay, when you press a pollen test, you have in the left side you have the protocol of sample questions. And in the right, you have the honey questions. Okay, it's very important, the protocol of sample, because we have a control in all the process of the test, but only not have control in the protocol of sample. The protocol of sample is your side, is the client side. Okay, and always we say 1,000 times. Please check it the protocol of sample, because it's very important. When you prepare the sample, you can put it here the honey weight, the centrifuge tubes. You can put it more honey and centrifuge more tubes, and when you see the pellet in the tube, you can decide how many tubes you use for the sample. Okay. This is only for the equipment need know what is the grams exactly you put it in the sample for calculating the yeast concentration and pollen richness concentration. It's very important, this thing. You can mark the cover you use, if it's square or it's rectangular, and if you need the QR label code, you can put it here. And the pollen view, it's other tool we have for expanding the dataset for all collaborations. You can use this. Okay. In the right side, you have the honey information. In honey region, you have all the regions you can do. We work with regions because it's more precision. The precision it's higher if you know where is the honey, if the honey is the Iberian Peninsula or it's Italian or it's the site, if you can focalize in this region, it's more precision. If you put global, we put it in global all our training pollens, but it's not all the world. But we implement it every week and every month, and it's probably if you don't know the origin of the honey, it's more difficult the classification, but it's fine. Now all pollens, it's typical in Europe. It's fine, and we train in other regions. Okay, you can put the type of honey, the target honey. Okay, it's not necessary, but if you put it the target honey, after in the report you can see more information of this honey. Okay, if you don't know what is the origin, you can put it multiflora or polyflora, and it's fine. You can put the test code, this case. Normal. Additional notes, it's if you want put it more information in the report, for example, the technician or the provider or the HMF or humidity, you can put it here. And if you want send the report in the finish direction, you can put it here. Okay, start test. Always the application guide in all the tests and say what you need for every test. In this case, put it the objective 40, put the sample of honey I have here, we put it in the microscope, and polarize it, remove it. It's not have polarized. Okay, continuous. This is all. Okay, the microscope now it's moving and focusing automatically and taking the image and send to the server and started the analyze and the process. Okay, I put it here and I show you the website, and after we can return in the application. This is the website. When you enter in HoneyAI, you can put in your credentials and enter in your private zone. The first you see it's the data story. The data story, you can see all your tests. In this case, you have color, pollen, bee pollen. You have all your tests, and you can download the reports. This is the last report. You can download the QR if you have QR in this QR code in this test. You can download the Excel archive. If you need move for working in the results, you can filter for time, for date, for example. And now I have 14 tests, and I can download the Excel file for this test in pollen. You can work in this, and it's very useful. You have the profile. You can modify your information. The e-commerce. In the e-commerce, you can buy the credits or all other HoneyAI. You can go directly. PollenView is the platform for the labeled pollens. I talk after for the collaboration and the calculator. The calculator is very interesting because when you do a different test with HoneyAI, all this information is in the server, and how we can use this information. This is an example. You can put it at different lots. You can put a 40, 50 lots. It's not. I don't know what is the limit. You can put, for example, this rubus, this rosmarinus, for example, and multiflora. Okay, you have 3 lots in this case. You can put it the quantity you want mix. In this case, 20, 30, and 50. This is the result of the mix. After you can put the different external dates, it's amitraze, HMF, humidity. You can put it and calculate it, for example, and the conductivity and the color. If you have the color test with the same name, he take it the same test, or you can link them and put it all the time. In this case, it's this. Okay, this is the value of the color of every test. And after, it's easy. Calculate it. The humidity, have a problem. This humidity. I put it in the radio. Okay, you put it the result and you obtain all the arbitrage, color, conductivity, HMF, humidity. This params it's direct. It's linear results. Well, color it's different. We use a model of AI for calculating this range, but after you have all the nectariferous and polliniferous results of this mix. Okay, so automatically you can change. It's free, and you can change the percentage and obtain the difference percentage of every pollen. Okay, you have the e-wallet. In the wallet, you have, when you buy a credit, you can see here your pack of credits, and you can see the different tests and don't discount these credits in your pack. Okay. And resources, it's videos tutorials for the protocols of samples and other applications, manuals, and the software. This is all the platform. Okay. And I show you now in the microscope, the application, it's working. Okay, it's sending now all the image. We take it a lot image for every test and send all to the server and analyze at different planes because every pollen have the focus in different planes. For every test, we have more of 2,000 image, and we save this information in the server, and we can analyze that. Okay, this is all. Irache.
Okay, thank you very much, Edu, for the nice presentation. I wanted just to say that the AI tool, it works for all type of analysis.
That's okay.
Okay. Okay, now let's continue. I'm checking all the questions that you have. I know that you have questions in the chat, but we will answer all of them at the end because we want that the answers are recorded also in this session.